Wait a minute. There's another lawnmower. There's another lawnmower. There's another lawnmower. Well, at least I already got Saturday's video done. Normally I like to do a big video on Saturday, but since everybody's stuck at home, every day is Saturday. That's the first zero-turn lawnmower I've caught on camera, actually. At least intentionally. Yeah, it's a hard life, being a YouTube star. But as of right now, I have, I think, 31 or 32 subscribers left before I reach 1,000. For all I know, tomorrow's video will be my 25 subscriber left video. Then I have to do a 10 subscriber left video. Then I have to do a 2 subscriber left. Now I probably won't do all that, but still. How's that? Did you enjoy it? Probably not. If I wait here long enough, that lawnmower might come back. I'll get a good video. I should get my 4K camera